The gentlewoman from New York, Ms. Stefanik, for 5 minutes.
Mr. Speaker, I rise today to support our military families. Beside our nation's brave service members are strong families that remain resilient through countless relocations and deployments. Military spouses wear their own patches of service and share a true sense of duty to our country. They sacrifice a great deal throughout the constant moves and the unknown, all while supporting their husband or wife in uniform. These spouses are often employed in professions that require new licensing for each new location, such as nurses, vital occupations in a military community. These dedicated spouses must be allowed to maintain their hard-earned professional licenses and certifications as they relocate. That is why this week I am introducing the Lift the Relocation Burden for Military Spouses Act. Military spouses serve too, and my bill will help maintain employment continuity and greater predictability for them and their families. I urge my colleagues to support this important bill, and I yield back.